Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. There's no one else can do what you do. That's bottom line. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you.
So today we're here with Afsisterwigs once more. So this is how the package came. Of course, we're seeing the wig first. So let's get into the goodies though before we get to that. So I got a rat tail comb. I got an edge brushing comb. I also got these pins. Oh my gosh, I love getting these pins because I lose them so easily. I got this next clip, great for sectioning your hair when styling. And I also got a pair of wig caps. So today's wig is this gorgeous curly textured one. It's actually a 9x6 closure wig. It's a gorgeous HD Swiss lace closure, guys. It is so natural looking. Look at that pre-plucked hairline. It is perfect. Absolutely love it. The lace is amazing. It's pre-bleached as well. And this is how the inside of the wig looks, the construction. So there is a detachable elastic band, but this is also great for security. And then we have some combs on the inside. The two on the sides there are removable, so feel free to go ahead and remove it if you want, if that's not your vibe. Also, this is the special ear design. Yeah, I'm still showing you how to remove that, but this is the ear design, you know, to accommodate the shape of your ears. So when you install this wig, it is not uncomfortable at all for you to wear it. So I always love when they do that with the wig caps because it makes, you know, installation and wearing it really easy. So after showing you guys that, you know, I just went ahead, slipped it on. Very easy, straightforward, to the point. And I must say, this tutorial and wig is very much geared towards beginners as well, so feel free to go ahead and check this wig out if you're looking for a very easy realistic wig. So I'm cutting away the excess lace, as you can see right here, and you can barely see any like cast or anything. Look at that. I got up close so you could see that better. Yeah, that is beautiful work. But you know what, Afsisterwigs always brings the quality wigs, so you know, this is nothing new. They're really that company. You know, they take their wig quality very serious. So I absolutely love that. So what I did, because I'm a little paranoid, I still went in with just a tad bit of powder to completely cancel out any cast that there might be on the hairline. I'm showing you guys a very deep center part, but today I wanted to do a deep side part. You know, that's just the vibe I was going for. And you can part this wherever you want within the lace area. It's a large lace area. You could go ahead and, you know, style this as you wish. Based on that, you could do braids, all that good stuff. But today I'm definitely just opting for a deep side part, and it looks so good, so realistic. I absolutely love it. You know, after doing this, I pretty much just jump into getting my wax stick and just laying everything super flat, and it looks so good.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. There's no one else can do what you do. That's bottom line. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Love is the one in a million.
Now I pretty much just went into getting my powder to, well, I actually used foundation to make the parting more precise here. It looks so good. You see that? Completely melted without any product at all. Yeah, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. So natural, very timeless. It's amazing. So now, as you can see, I'm going in with my spray bottle with just water, only water, because I did want this to get back its volume really quickly. I just wanted to define the curls more and just make everything look super juicy and refreshed. So I'm just thoroughly going through that with water, and then I'm gonna brush it out. So that's the only thing I did for styling today. Very easy, very to the point, doesn't take a lot of time to install and style this wig. You know, if anything, the styling will take up a little bit more time, more than installation, because it all depends on what you're going for specifically at that specific moment. But this is today's wig. Shout out to Afsisterwig for this amazing look. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this in my description box, so please go ahead, check it out. All the specifications will be listed. If I have any discount code, that will be down below, so go ahead, check it out. Go treat yourself for summer. I think this is so gorgeous for the summertime, so it would be amazing for a vacation, especially if you're going somewhere hot. You know, it's so hot in the summertime and nobody want to have to be dealing with their lace lifting and their glue showing, and you know, it's just not staying on their head. It has so much security. It's non-slip. It is that girl. Okay, it really is. I love it. Like, you guys know, I have a thing for curly and wavy textures. It's so my vibe. I just think it's so much easier to work with and maintain. Yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.